Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods. I took the day off today. It was a nice sunny day and I'm working on some projects. Today I'm working on the handle of the MOD knife. It's coming along nicely. I'm taking a break. I bought some stuff from Born Survivor Supplies. I bought their little mini stove for the Fire Dragon gel stuff. So I'm going to heat up my lunch with that. I never used it before, so let's go see if it can heat up some of my lunch. Right, so what you do here is you bend 2 down, 2 up. You place it like that if your cup is big, or you can do it like that depending upon what you're cooking with. I'm going to try this way and that should be fine. So I'm going to see if one of these or maybe 2 of these can heat up my food. Right, so let's get this one started. Now it comes with a little foil on the bottom there, so it won't melt like the bigger ones. If this cooks my food, I'll kind of be surprised because of the size of it. So I'm just going to drop that in there like that. And there it goes. And I'll put that on there. So that's 1 cube. I bought, I think, 50. So we're good. This will get cooked at some point. But let's just see how we get on with this one. Oh, still going. Sounds like it's doing a good job. See the flames coming out of the sides there. So, alright, that one's dead. Let's try a second one. Alright, so I'm just going to take off another one. I'm going to just mix this up a little bit. Just a little bit like that. It's non-toxic and all the rest of it, so I'm not worried about it. It does light really easy. And I'm back on it again. After this video.
How long is that going to take?
Well, I'm still recording, but I'm not too worried because no one watches them, so we can talk.
I'll drop this round to Mum first then.
Alright, yeah. Okay, it's out. And I just wanted to... That's my food. Can't see it, but... It's cooked. It's fine. Right, when I said about scratching it, the top, just want to show you. So... This one, so I can zoom in a bit. So this is the one I scratched, and you can see how empty it is. These 2 I didn't scratch. So that one was my first one. Right, so that's pretty much still full. I could probably still use that again. And then this one here was the one I just cooked in before the empty one. And you can see if you do proper scratching on that to get rid of that film on top, it does burn a lot longer and it burns up all the fuel. So this one here, so say just mush it up a little bit. That's back on again. So that wasn't a complete burn on this one. So that one's still going. I could probably light this one as well. There you go. Now that one's going as well. So when you do it, make sure you scratch it a little bit, or just mix it up a little bit, and then light it. It just burns a lot better that way. So bird time is pretty good. I mean, that one there, I mean, they're still going from when I just lit it. And those are the ones that went out when I was cooking. So I think if I scratched it the first one, I would have done it in one. But because it's the first time using it, I didn't know. These are quite handy. I mean, if you can cook up your food with a minimum amount of space and then reuse that, you know, that's pretty good too, and it's lightweight. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, I mean, these are compact. I mean, how many, you can stick loads of these in your bag on different spots, and it's covered, so it's not going to make a mess in your bag. So I'm happy with that. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think these are a nice alternative to the bigger ones, the original ones? And by that I mean these ones. So you can see a size difference in that. But thanks guys for watching. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.